Hey there, wealth warriors! Welcome back to Wealth Waveview. If you're invested in the cryptocurrency market, you probably noticed a significant downturn recently. Bitcoin, Dogecoin, and Shiba Inu have all taken a steep dive. But why is this happening? Stick around, because in this video, we'll break down the causes, examine the impacts, and give you a clear picture of what to expect next. Did you know? The recent fall in cryptocurrency values is closely tied to inflation data released in the US. The Consumer Price Index came in softer than expected on June 12. Initially, this caused a bullish reaction in the market, pushing Bitcoin up to $70,000. Sounds like good news, right? But hold on, there's more to the story. Enter Jerome Powell and the Federal Reserve. Following their meeting, the Fed took a hawkish stance on interest rate cuts. Powell's remarks sent shockwaves through the market, stating the central bank isn't ready for rate cuts despite easing inflation. As a result, Bitcoin's rally was cut short right below the $70,000 mark. Not just Bitcoin, but altcoins like Ethereum, Solana, and XRP also took a hit. Ethereum dropped by 4.4% to $3,450, Solana by 7% to $147, and XRP by 3% to 48 cents. The entire market turned red, spreading panic among investors. Even meme coins like Dogecoin and Shiba Inu weren't spared. Dogecoin is now struggling to hold the support level at 14 cents, and Shiba Inu is dangerously close to slipping below $0.00002. It's a rough time for all crypto enthusiasts out there. Understandably, investors are worried. The mixed signals from economic data and the Federal Reserve are causing confusion. It's challenging to predict the next move, making the market more volatile than ever. Experts believe if Bitcoin slides below the crucial $66,000 level, it could dip further to $64,000. Imagine that, losing such considerable gains in such a short span. It's a clear signal that the market can be extremely unpredictable. When the CPI data came in softer than expected, many thought it would give a positive boost to the market. While there was a brief spike, the subsequent hawkish tone from the Federal Reserve nullified that enthusiasm. The Fed's hawkish stance is primarily due to its focus on achieving a 2% inflation target. Although inflation has eased from its peak levels in 2022 to 2023, the central bank decided to keep interest rates in the range of 5.25% to 5.5%, causing uncertainty. Jerome Powell mentioned that the restrictive policy would need time to show its full impact. This has left many investors in a wait-and-see mode, hesitant to make any quick decisions. Despite positive signs from the Producer Price Index suggesting easing inflation, Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies have failed to regain any substantial momentum. It's like the bulls have run out of steam. Trading companies like QCP Capital report that investors are confused about the future outlook. With the Fed remaining hawkish, the market is filled with uncertainty. This confusion translates into slower market movements and a lack of confidence. Experts are now speculating a potential rate cut in September, but with a wait-and-see approach for the following months. This could be a silver lining, but it's far from a guaranteed market recovery. Meanwhile, the approval of spot Ethereum ETFs could serve as a modest distraction from the interest rate debate. Such developments might build a bullish macro outlook for the short to long term. So, what's next? The next few days are critical. If key support levels hold up, we might see a stronger rebound. Historically, meme coins like Dogecoin and Shiba Inu tend to rally alongside Bitcoin. So, keep your eyes peeled. By the way, if you're new here or haven't done so yet, subscribe to our channel. We're building a thriving community where we can all learn and grow together. Your support means the world to us, and we're continually working to bring you high-quality content. Drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts on the current market situation. Have you made any moves or are you sitting tight? We're all ears and would love to hear from you. Finally, remember, navigating the crypto world isn't easy, but you're not alone. We're here to support you every step of the way. Stay positive, stay informed, and let's ride this wave together. The cryptocurrency market is known for its volatility. Sometimes it can feel like you're on a roller coaster. The key is to stay informed and make calculated decisions. We'll be here to guide you. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you won't miss any updates. This is Wealth Waveview, helping you navigate the waves of wealth. See you next time. What's going on, wealth warriors? Bitcoin recently hit a high of $70,000, and it looked like the sky was the limit. But hold on, it quickly lost steam and dropped below $67,000. Imagine you hit a new high at work just to see a huge setback. It feels pretty discouraging, right? Top analysts are on the case. A lot of them say that if Bitcoin drops below $66,000, we could see it fall further to $64,000. Oh, the roller coaster of the crypto market. It's like betting on your favorite sports team just to watch them lose in the final seconds. Heartbreaking. But the pain doesn't stop with Bitcoin. Altcoins like Ethereum, Solana, and XRP are also in the red. For example, Ethereum is down by 4.4% to $3,450, and Solana has dropped by 7% to $147. It's a broad sell-off, and it feels like everyone's losing in this game. Even meme coins like Dogecoin and Shiba Inu couldn't escape the hit. Dogecoin is trying to hold on at 14 cents, while Shiba Inu hovers around $0.000021. Ouch. Imagine these coins are like wild rides in an amusement park. Exhilarating but scary. So, why is this happening? Recently, inflation data from the US came out softer than expected. Initially, this was good news for the market. Bitcoin managed to hit $70,000 before taking a nosedive. It's a bit like thinking you aced a test, only to realize there was an error in grading. Mixed feelings, right? Enter the Federal Reserve. After their meeting, the Fed announced that they're not planning to cut interest rates soon. Jerome Powell, the Fed chair, poured cold water on everyone's hopes by stating that the central bank isn't ready for rate cuts. Imagine planning a big party just to have it cancelled last minute. That's how investors felt. Interest rates will stay in the range of 5.25% to 5.5%. The Fed has also revised the number of future rate cuts from 3 to only 1. It's like getting a smaller slice of pie when you were expecting a whole piece. Disappointing, to say the least. The Fed wants to hit a 2% inflation target but isn't rushing the process. Although inflation has eased from the peak levels of 2022 and 2023, the central bank is sticking to its guns. Imagine a coach who insists on perfect form before allowing their team to play. Disciplined but tough. Powell is confident that the restrictive policy will be effective over time. He mentioned that the sufficiency of this approach will be known in due course. It's like planting a tree and waiting for it to grow. Only time will tell if it was the right move. The Producer Price Index (PPI) results show that inflation is easing, which should be good for risky assets like crypto. However, Bitcoin didn't regain its momentum. It's like trying to start a car with a dying battery. The spark just isn't there. According to experts from QCP Capital, investors are confused about what's next. The Fed's hawkish stance has muddled predictions, making the market extremely uncertain. Imagine trying to navigate a foggy road without GPS. Pretty risky, right? Some are speculating that the Fed might consider a rate cut in September, with a wait-and-see approach for the following months. This could provide a glimmer of hope, but it's far from a sure thing. Kind of like hoping for a sunny day in a month filled with rain. An interesting distraction is the approval of spot Ethereum ETFs. These could create a bullish sentiment in the market and divert attention from interest rates for a while. Imagine a new blockbuster movie coming out. It grabs everyone's attention. The next few days will be crucial. If key support levels hold, we might see a rebound in the market. Dogecoin and Shiba Inu typically rally alongside Bitcoin, so keep your eyes on these meme coins. It's like watching a thrilling game. Anything can happen in the final moments. If you're new here, consider subscribing to Wealth Waveview. Drop your thoughts in the comment section below. How are you handling this volatile market? Are you making any moves or holding steady? We're eager to hear your stories and insights. Remember, navigating the crypto market isn't a solo journey. We're here to help and support each other. Stay informed, stay positive, and let's tackle these challenges together. Crypto markets are known for their volatility, similar to a thrilling roller coaster ride. The key is to stay informed and make smart decisions. And don't worry, we've got your back every step of the way. And that's a wrap for today's video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any updates. This is Wealth Waveview, your guide in navigating the waves of wealth. See you next time. End of the 20 scenes part 1 of 3. Notice how Bitcoin, despite some positive inflation news, slid dangerously close to the $66,000 mark? Experts are watching carefully because if it goes below that, we might see a drop to $64,000. That's a big setback in a short time, and it's something all of us need to be prepared for. The CPI data coming in softer than expectations sparked a brief market spike. But it wasn't strong enough to maintain momentum, especially with the Fed's recent stance. This kind of economic indicator can make or break market sentiment, throwing a curveball into the mix. During the FOMC meeting, members decided not to cut interest rates, which was unexpected by many. This decision played a significant role in halting Bitcoin's advance, and has left a lot of us wondering about the short-term future of the market. Right now, the interest rates remain in the 5.25% to 5.5% range. Initially, there were plans for more rate cuts, but that has been dialed back, adding to the uncertainty and contributing to the current market downturn. Investors have been reacting with a mix of caution and confusion. Markets are like a chess game, every move counts, and right now, the Fed's unexpected decisions have everyone guessing what the next play should be. Ethereum, for instance, is down by 4.4% to $3,450. Solana has dropped by 7% to $147. This widespread dip in altcoins indicates a strong bearish trend. It's crucial to watch these coins closely. Meme coins like Dogecoin and Shiba Inu are also feeling the heat. Dogecoin is hovering around 14 cents, while Shiba Inu is on the edge below the critical $0.00002 mark. These coins often mirror Bitcoin's sentiment but add an extra touch of volatility. Inflation is no stranger to us, ladies and gents. Remember the sky-high levels we saw in 2022 and 2023? Although things have eased a bit, the Federal Reserve is not yet satisfied, keeping its approach restrictive. Powell's words carry weight. His stance on keeping interest rates steady influenced the market tone significantly. Sometimes, a few words can tip the scale, creating ripples across the entire financial ecosystem. When Producer Price Index (PPI) data beats expectations, it typically signals easing inflation, which should ideally be positive for risk assets like crypto. Yet, despite this favorable PPI data, Bitcoin couldn't catch a break, showing us just how sensitive the market can be. Moving forward, everyone is trying to predict the next move. Companies like QCP Capital have observed that investors are adopting a wait-and-see approach. This uncertainty stifles market activity and forces many to tread carefully. With the Fed's hawkish approach, the sentiment is shaky. It's like driving on an icy road. You have to be cautious. Every turn needs to be calculated. That's exactly how the market feels right now. Some optimism is in the air, with experts speculating a potential rate cut in September. While it's not set in stone, this possibility does provide a faint glimmer of hope amidst the cloudy market conditions. In the meantime, the approval of spot Ethereum ETFs is creating some buzz. This could be the distraction investors need from the constant chatter about interest rates, potentially driving a more bullish outlook. The next few days are crucial for Bitcoin and altcoins. If key support levels hold, we could see a rebound. Historically, when Bitcoin recovers, meme coins like Dogecoin and Shiba Inu rally alongside, so keep an eye on those. For those who are new here, welcome. If you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button. We're creating a community where we can all grow and learn together. Staying informed is the first step towards financial empowerment. Drop a comment below and share your thoughts. Are you holding, buying, or selling? We'd love to hear how you're navigating this market. Every voice counts in our Wealth Waveview community. Navigating the crypto world can be tough, but remember, you're not alone. We're here to support you. Stay positive and informed, and together, we can ride out these waves, no matter how challenging they get. Crypto is synonymous with volatility, a roller coaster ride that keeps everyone guessing. The key is to stay alert and make smart decisions. We're here to guide you through it, every step of the way. That wraps up today's video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. This is Wealth Waveview, your go-to source for navigating the waves of wealth. See you next time.